So we're having a really big challenge right now that started to occur during the pandemic. We took advantage of the PPP loan so that we didn't have to lay anyone off, but we did have some attrition during the pandemic, people who were frightened or they had fragile people at home they needed to take care of. So for a variety of reasons, we did lose some of our employees. And now we're having a hard time hiring people back again, and all of the other manufacturing companies and many other types of industry are struggling with the same thing because people left the workforce, they decided they were comfortable being home or found other opportunities. So I'm working with the Next Generation Partnership that's being run by Kathy Awad at the Northwest Regional Workforce Investment Board. And there are some other corporate leaders like Molly Kellogg, who's been on your program, and Evan Burns at Sites Corporation. And we're working together to kind of figure out how to attract more people into the manufacturing industry, how to let parents know that it's not this dirty place anymore, that it's actually a clean environment, and there are so many different types of jobs. Almost any personality type you have, you can find a niche in manufacturing, whether it be working in marketing, creating promotional materials, or soldering on the line. So many different opportunities. And so we're going to be doing a job fair. I think it's September 12th. And so we're excited about that. And then, of course, the Smaller Manufacturers Association has alliances with the trade schools. And we provide awards to the students, and we're constantly interacting with them. We have a program where people can get grants for school. So I think that relationship with the schools and with the association helps identify resources, human resources for our manufacturing members.